Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Hinong tre jongga Betheguide haka hinyo trek urisau arajar arfuar gila lek Kmen halor ke jingyo jong director jong ke slam ai jing hikai Santosh Kumar yaka national award nakamenta ka best motivational speaker in India. Dang haka arfuai trek unailor arajar arfuar ke Betheguide kalayok khur yaka international award kabal ai kerteng Icons of Asia award nakamenta ka best education startup of the year haka rinsan yathir yatai kabalalong Delhi bala pelong de Global Empire Events ringkat bar Biz Nation TV. Kumpan chupentep hangni baga Betheguide kaju ai jing hikai syaki samla kumnu banlong kinong kran pajba banlong kinong ai jing hikai batibet batui gwe de gat ai jing hikai.
Betheguide is just not a training institute, it's a growth institute and a mentoring institute. Let me tell you very clearly this. So with the word growth and mentoring means we are here to change the behavior of the people, transform them, make them big, make them better and make them, even a wonderful person. The main objective of Betheguide through mentoring and growing and growth is to change the negativity of the people into positive, to make them a positive person. So it's just not a training institute, but it's a fight against negativity. Meghalaya needs more mentoring institute, more mentoring, people who can mentor the entire Betheguide. And this is why it's highly important for us to, acknowledge this. And in this journey, I'm very much surprised and super thrilled to announce that recently we have, won an international award, which is known as the Icon of Asia Award for the Asian region for being the best education startup of the year. I mean, it was a surprise for me. They have, called me right from Delhi to, to be the part of that, of the international event. And in this international event, there's something very unique, that happened with me. I think I was meant to be there. Why? Because generally for people, if the flight gets delayed, they get irritated and frustrated. But for me, flight delay was like a blessing in disguise. I could catch my flight and I could reach there. So that marks how serious I was in order to get this. And I didn't went actually to get the award over there. I went to understand people, to understand how business grows and how things becomes better. Being a motivational speaker and a national award motivation speaker, one thing I've understood that we all need to be completely positive throughout our life. Even a single second, if there is something negative being fried or cooked in our brain, that means what happens is that we are going to, go to a wrong direction. So, Betheguide journey is not just a journey. It's something, it's a legacy, it's a legion, it's a kind of, work that we are doing in order to help the people in Meghalaya. Now in Meghalaya, we know this, that unemployment is at the high rise. And Betheguide plays a very active role in this front. How? By allowing people to become an entrepreneur, by allowing people to open the franchise, the branch of Betheguide in various sectors, various fields, various ways, in their own areas as well. That is one way which we are trying to help remove unemployment. Now, team members, what I am suggesting to my team members is this, that no matter how hard it is, no matter how difficult it is, the message is simply clear, that we should keep on transforming Meghalaya to become a better state, because I want Meghalaya to be one of the happiest states. There are countries like Sweden, there are countries like Finland, Iceland, Norway. Why these countries are termed as the happiest country in the world? Why not Meghalaya can be one of the happiest state in India, and then the legacy goes on. So I want people to remember Betheguide as a place where they have come and they have become happy, they smile. And I want you all to smile as well here. Can we all smile very nicely? Yes? Alright? And this is the reason why. That I have, started this journey. I want to be a different. I didn't even know that motivation can be a venture. But as and when I started, I got many people on the way who guided me, who helped me. Not to forget my own father, who has been the inspiration behind, and he's the chairman of this organization. Okay, my entire family, who have always been on the on the positive side, that yes, no matter what happens, we need to keep on moving on. Not forgetting my teachers as well, my professors, who have always told me to keep on trying and not to give up. And at the end, I get the most biggest motivation, inspiration I get is from my team members who are here right now, and that's the reason why I kept on moving. Betheguide, once again, I would like to tell you all is this: it's not a training institute, it's a growth and a mentoring institute. Thank you so much.
Te kalong ka ke jingker ku ke bakra la banong ya ke jela borok kawai but yang ni ke badon ko ke ni ke sistem aji kai kumal on kam dei ta ke sistem aji kai ke sistem bahasa Indo ye kisah la bahasa Indo ke yang ke berita baro namar ya la ding way no train na ni organization mat abang ladon na ni ka sistem aji kai nge smutu wakum ke ni ke jat jing kai ke di badon ke way ka berita ke bakam tindong na ni ke source lo namar kadai kebatang kam pat kalau bakong sana tu kata-kata bagi beliau tip sipang kata soft skills, sipang communication skills, pat ke kecing bagi dulu kon sana bagi bergawat kamu aja. Namar mentah bagi fight match yang kamu suka kalau sikam bagi dia kamu suka masuk. Nrei day lembaga jingdon di private organization kaba ILAT kaba ICAM ICAM le namar kini kadai kecing pong yang lebih kanu besar bang apa bak bang hai mat sama jong Khusnam sekat nanti nomor ngidon Khusnam sekat di kawe ka Santosh lah nama kiwe Khusnam ki pamarjan ki wan hiru kini ki wan yo ki wan hat bat kunta ter ka dei kawe ka khapsor bang lah nong bat habangi pai syak ta jinon kam bagi ne pe soft skills e communication skills nanti ka English communication kalau dalam kamu kata-kata di lembaga jindal juga di organisasi antai ini bakat tu kat ni kisah jangan jinjong bat kisah kita mentor dari kisah latihan ilala bagi orang nak kerja ilong hoi long idon sibun kita kijinga tambah ya trying to find something like find a solution like become a better way mak namar benar fokus kami ngilain ke vision ni di wanra organization adu stay support Jawa tu itu apa ki view jong long ki take view na jaikian Jawa bro ekoi itu apa ki lu tinyo ban negeri train manyo kata ka mak ke itu ba kata knowledge dan skills ban upgrade kata ka ki skills long ki prepare ki magila ai ko kini train jong te long nungkong barulongnya ba adu ban mo ban ra ikini ka branch ko Jawa naman banga putat no muna kibiu na po na time na tayo Jawa ki kwa ban ke training jongi po shilong na kim la ban afford ikini ka training naman ban travel kita kumba ngila te long kolong spread long kalau konjana na du na tayo Jawa ta kapanwan ni ngalong why not mo ban ra ikini ka branch ko Jawa na ba kibiu jongi na tayo time ki kamsuk ban ikini ka training. So sekue itu long kalau ini long ban sub kita tak development nak ilang salang dulu bro kawe namar ba ni hane ko long ni ai kita ko motivational and then ki trainings ki prepare ban motivate siki and then idon long kita long ki kumba stage time ki lang guna ki training ki kumba don ki training organization job.
First of all, I would like to say this. See, this is a very small company. Maybe there are so many people out there who didn't even know about us, who didn't even know that Betheguide exists. But let me tell you, being a very small company and get the big award, which even us as a team member also, we didn't expect this. Before Sir going to Delhi also, we didn't even know that he went to take this award. So it is a very proud moment for every one of us. Since there are so many companies here in Shillong, I think so. But why do we get this why do we get this achievement, or maybe why do we get this award? Because we are capable of getting this. That is why. But then during the lockdown, some of them like they just just back off, or maybe they end up there during the lockdown. But no, I joined Betheguide in the year 2020 when the lockdown strikes, and then in the year 2021 I joined here as a trainee. Actually, I joined here as a trainee for 2 months. I take professional training program. But then first when I joined here, I was a very shy girl. I was very shy and couldn't even speak in English. Yeah, I know that I'm graduate, but then I didn't get used to that. So, but then with the help of my trainers, especially Ma'am Kinti, I know her only. She trained me here, and then with the help of other trainers as well. So that is why like I gained this confidence, and then I improved because of that.
So it is a blessing for me working in Betheguide, and again being a student coming now and working with Ma'am Kinti, HR department, which is I really fully in love with my work, which is I appreciate that platform I got it. And today I'm standing here and speaking because by doing small things that we got, that we take it that granted, so we take it in that which is we are that we can get it second level. So I really appreciate, thank you again for this opportunity. And the Betheguide is now day by day that I can see that it will more and more it will be succeed.
So I personally stand here. I've been working here for more than 4 years, and I personally say this on behalf of everybody that I really thank the management, Sir Santosh. We have always been like Tom and Jerry since day one. We are the biggest Tom and Jerry in this organization. But despite all these things, the mission and the vision which we have is always similar. It's always what we are fighting is always because we want Betheguide to grow. It's not for our personal growth, but it is always for the organization. And I would like to thank Ma'am Neetu, who have always been my constant support. Whenever anybody say anything, she'll always be by my side, standing strong and tall, saying that yes, whatever Kinti is saying, she's going